Alright guys, today I wanted to do a quick unbox review and setup on my new gun safe. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. As you can see, it fully comes assembled right out of the box. It's made from thick steel with a phosphate coated finish that protects against rust and wear. You can feel the durability when you unbox it. This isn't lightweight material. Inside the packaging, you've got the safe, 2 adjustable steel shelves, backup keys, mounting hardware, 3 padded holsters, and an emergency power adapter. The adapter lets you plug in a 9-volt battery if the built-in power ever runs out, so you're never locked out. Now, once everything's unwrapped, you'll see it's designed with 3 ways to unlock it: a digital keypad, fingerprint scanner, and a backup key. There's also a hidden emergency key slot behind the front plate. The fingerprint scanner is one of the key features here. It's fast, accurate, and tested for reliability. Up to 99.9% recognition even if the finger isn't perfectly placed. Inside the safe, there's a flexible layout. Both shelves are adjustable so you can make room for larger rifles or extra gear. The holsters are lined and attached via Velcro so you can position them wherever you need. This keeps everything organized and helps prevent scratching between firearms. There's also a built-in alarm that triggers if someone tries to tamper with the safe. But if you want quiet access, you can activate silent mode with a quick toggle inside the door. What's different about the safe is the dual security mode. In standard mode, you can use either the fingerprint or a code to unlock it. In secure mode, you need both fingerprint and code before the bolts release. It's an easy way to increase security with just one setting. Now, setting up the fingerprint scanner and the digital code was very straightforward. First, tap the OK button to activate the panel. Hold down the program until you see the green light. Place the finger on the scanner and follow the prompt. Once that's done, you can add up to 30 fingerprints at the same time. Great if more than one person need access to it. If you want to switch to secure mode, flip the internal switch from normal to secure. That way, both your code and fingerprint are recorded in every time. As you can see, I'm finishing setting up the number lock, which I did all on video. Doesn't take long for that one or the fingerprint scanner. As you can see, the door is completely locked, so we'll go ahead and try our 6-digit code, and it opens right up. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new gun safe, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.